All right, good morning. Happy Saturday. So I just want to take a look at ES this past week and what to expect going forward for this next week since we tested down into this 40 to 85 quarter liquidation target that we've had in here since mid-September. So market has been in a downtrend. We've been looking for this liquidation target to be hit. This was hit on Wednesday of last week, right here. So I noted this on Twitter and in small group mentoring and of course in Discord, etc. So we came down, hit this 4285 quarter, found significant buying interest. And then since then, we have, so here's the same chart, significant buying interest pushed up back into this consolidation below the line in the sand from Wednesday, closed Wednesday's session against this 16 quarter or 1675 TS number, which was the new lower end of the line in the sand going into Thursday's session. Hit this big liquidation target on Wednesday. This is an outlier event. Normally, the line in the sand is a single digit number or a very condensed zone. It's never, not never, but again, an outlier event. It's usually not 15 points wide like this. So this had to do with coming and hitting this big liquidation target. Found consolidation essentially against the lower end of this area. Pushed up end of day Thursday into the short execution target zone at range short. Then came back and tested the upper end of the line in the sand, found buyers, another test into the short execution target zone at range short, found sellers, and closed Thursday's session up here. Immediately opened up, found sellers on Friday against range short again, so 3 lower highs. Selling into the line in the sand, and then we pushed up overnight. European markets opened here, pushed our way through range short, found buyers now against the top of range short, pushed up into this 4368 quarter MTS number. Remember, MTS stands for macro TS number, so this is an area we can expect macro participants to be interested in participating. Pushed into the highest dodge short, opened cash session up here, and immediately found sellers. Buying support again here. You can see this on a 15-minute chart. So buying support against top of range short. Couldn't get back over 65.75 TS number, and then sold through, consolidated at the bottom of this area, all the way back down to the 1675, and closed Friday's session right against the line in the sand. So what do we expect heading into next week? Well, here is the chart from last week. So again, buyers or selling into this 4285 quarter liquidation target that have been in the macro technical view section of the trade plan for a few weeks. Close Friday's session here, and I have not done the analysis yet for Sunday's open or Monday's trading, but so that will be new analysis. But gun to my head heading into next week, I would expect, since we found sellers up here at this MTS number on Friday, really can't get hold above the line in the sand or range short, that this selling will likely continue down into a retest of this key 4285 quarter liquidation target, and then likely lower, so in the MTS number at 4270 quarter, 4270 quarter, highest dodge short, potentially even lower down here into this extreme long zone that's been sitting here for multiple days. Buyers likely enticed again down here once this low is checked. And then I would expect that we get a fairly significant bounce next week up into at least this 44.5, 44, 49.75 TS number zone. So, anything is possible anytime, of course. But gun to my head, I would expect early next week, continuation selling, come down, check this low, push lower, check into the MTS number so we have the MTS number to MTS number move. Again, MTS number is macro areas of significance. Likely macro buyers participating down here, finding these prices too cheap, Buyers coming in, pushing price all the way through all of this up into the 44.7 44, 49, 75 TS number zone. That would be approximately 200-point move up. So that's the main idea that I'm looking at heading into next week, first week of October 2023. If you would like the analysis, written trade plan every day, indicator for multiple platforms, NinjaTrader, Sierra Chart, TradeStation, multi-charts, something else, can't remember. Go ahead and hit the site. Hit me up on Twitter, send me an email, sign up on the site itself, and I will get you set up so that you have this analysis heading into next week. All right, make it a great weekend, and we'll see you guys soon.